Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, PSD World. Today we explore the beautiful place Singapore. Singapore is a vibrant city-state that offers a multitude of popular and beautiful attractions for visitors to explore. Here are a few notable places that are highly regarded. Gardens by the Bay is an iconic destination known for its futuristic super trees, which are vertical gardens that light up at night. This sprawling nature park features stunningly designed outdoor gardens, the cloud forest and flower dome conservatories, and a picturesque waterfront promenade. It's a captivating place where nature and technology harmoniously blend. Marina Bay Sands is a world-renowned integrated resort that stands out for its remarkable architecture. The centerpiece is a massive boat-shaped structure with a sky park perched atop, offering a breathtaking panorama of Singapore's skyline. The resort also includes a luxurious hotel, a large casino, high-end shopping, and a wide range of dining options. Sentosa Island. Sentosa is a popular island resort that caters to various interests. It boasts pristine beaches, thrilling theme parks such as Universal Studios Singapore and Adventure Cove Water Park, golf courses, luxurious resorts, and diverse entertainment options. Sentosa also offers lush nature trails, historical sites, and stunning sunset views. Singapore Botanic Gardens. Recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, the Singapore Botanic Gardens is a serene oasis in the heart of the city. It showcases a vast array of plant species, including a world-renowned orchid collection. The gardens provide a tranquil escape, with beautifully landscaped gardens, serene lakes, and a charming eco-lake boardwalk. Chinatown. Chinatown is a vibrant and culturally rich neighborhood that immerses visitors in Singapore's Chinese heritage. Its narrow streets are lined with traditional shophouses, bustling markets, and an assortment of restaurants and street food stalls. The area also features heritage sites like the Thian Hock Keng Temple and the Buddha Tooth Relic Temple. Singapore Zoo and Night Safari. The Singapore Zoo is a renowned wildlife park that offers a unique open-concept experience. Visitors can observe animals in naturalistic enclosures, and the zoo is particularly famous for its orangutan habitat. Adjacent to the zoo is the Night Safari, where you can embark on a nocturnal adventure to see various nocturnal animals in their habitats. Chinese culture. The Chinese community forms the majority in Singapore, and their culture has a significant influence on the country. Chinese customs, festivals, and traditions are widely celebrated, including Lunar New Year, Mid-Autumn Festival, and Dragon Boat Festival. Chinatown in Singapore is a hub for Chinese culture, featuring traditional architecture, temples, and authentic cuisine. Malay culture. The Malay community in Singapore contributes to the country's diverse cultural landscape. Malay culture is celebrated during Hari Raya Aidilfitri, Eid al-Fitr, the festival marking the end of Ramadan. Visitors can experience Malay cuisine, traditional music and dance performances, and explore the Malay Heritage Center to learn more about their history and heritage. Indian culture. The Indian community in Singapore adds a vibrant element to the cultural mosaic. Deepavali, also known as Diwali, is one of the major Indian festivals celebrated in Singapore, known for its vibrant lights and decorations. Little India is a bustling neighborhood where visitors can immerse themselves in Indian culture, shop for traditional garments, enjoy Indian cuisine, and visit ornate temples. Peranakan culture. The Peranakan, or Straits Chinese, culture is a unique blend of Chinese, Malay, and Indonesian influences. Peranakan culture is showcased through their distinctive cuisine, known as Peranakan or Nyanya cuisine, which blends flavors and techniques from various cultures. The Peranakan Museum in Singapore provides insights into their history, traditions, and intricate craftsmanship. Eurasian culture. The Eurasian community in Singapore represents a fusion of European and Asian heritage. Eurasian culture is characterized by a blend of Portuguese, Dutch, and British influences, combined with Asian traditions. The Eurasian Heritage Center in Singapore offers exhibits, artifacts, and information about the Eurasian community's history, language, and cuisine. Western and global influences. Singapore is a cosmopolitan city that embraces global influences, including Western culture. This is evident in the diverse range of international cuisines, fashion trends, music, and entertainment options available throughout the country. Singapore's contemporary art scene, music festivals, and international sporting events further highlight its global appeal. Mount Faber. Mount Faber is a scenic hill located in the central region of Singapore. It offers panoramic views of the city skyline, the harbor, and the southern islands. Visitors can take a cable car ride to the top of Mount Faber and enjoy breathtaking vistas. The hill is covered with verdant vegetation and is a popular spot for nature walks, picnics, and romantic strolls. Additionally, there are various dining options available on Mount Faber, allowing visitors to enjoy a meal while taking in the beautiful surroundings. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video and found it informative and entertaining. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.